This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Big round of applause to all our candidates as we wish them luck and well for the upcoming elections.
Young, below the age of 45, and 10 of them are women. And it is our aim to connect to the aspirations of the young voter, to show a youthful Congress party, but also a Congress party that has experience. Your commitments that we are making, and I'd like to mention them to you. The first is focused on empowering women, and what we are proposing is for single mothers below the poverty line, we will give 3,000 rupees every month, 36,000 rupees annually. We will target unemployment and give one job per household in Meghalaya. We will make sure that the people of Meghalaya get uninterrupted power supply to their houses and to industry. We will fight the menace of drugs and try and provide a drug-free Meghalaya with strict action against peddlers. And we will provide support to those who are addicted to drugs by setting up de-addiction centers. And fight free Meghalaya with total transparency in all government transactions by bringing in a new law. So, once again, I thank you very much for inviting me here. It's always a pleasure for me to come. And I think the next time I come, I will come when there is no election, and I will spend 5 or 6 days here with you. Spend some time with you and travel a little bit in your beautiful state. To conclude, I'd like to repeat, we are here to defend your culture, to defend your language, to defend your religion. And I'm here as a partner, as a friend, and I come here with humility to learn and to understand from your history, your tradition, and your culture. I request you to support the Congress Party, to vote for our candidates, our young candidates, our experienced candidates, and ensure that we have a thumping majority in the state. Thank you very much. All the best. Jai Hind.